पीजी लैब का, यूजी लैब का अलग अलग 1.5 करोड़ का दोनों मुझे है ना, ये पहले दिखाया मुझे थोड़ा डिटेल बढ़िया से करके दे दो मुझे, क्योंकि मुझे ये 5.5 में जाऊँ। हाँ, पीजी लैब यूजी लैब अलग अलग 1.5 करोड़ का जो किलोमीटर में जो माइनस हो रहा था उसको दिखाना है। हाँ, माइनस करके दिखा, ठीक है। दो अलग अलग बैलेंस शीट में और इनफैक्ट डिपार्टमेंटल फंड का भी 15 लाख वाला, ठीक है। Okay, good afternoon everyone. So let's start. Now today we will have one quiz, okay? So a short quiz, but let me first teach what I wanted to tell you, okay? So and then there will be some online Google form that you'll be doing it quickly, okay? Okay, so yesterday we were looking at this particular chart where we were talking about IIP, petroleum initially in place, when then we had discovered and undiscovered. In discovered, we had reserves and contingent resources, unrecoverable one. And similarly for undiscovered, we have prospective resources and unrecoverable resources. Now, so then we talked about reserves, and we were talking about contingent resources, and that's where we left, okay? And so let's look at this. It's a lot of words here, but it's you need to understand these things, each and every word, okay? Contingent resources are those quantities of petroleum estimated as of given date. So time is again important. As of given date, to be potentially recoverable from known accumulations. So that is known, right? That means it's discovered, right? By the application of development project or projects not currently considered to be commercial, okay? Owing to one or more contingency, okay? So it may be price, or it may be some technology or something else, okay? Contingent resources have an associated chance of development, okay? Associated chance of development. That means if something is developed, then this will get developed. Contingent resources, well, contingent resources maybe, like if you have satellite fields, okay? Let's say you have a big field, and then you have smaller fields away from there. So that can also be contingent resources, because those cannot be, those satellite fields cannot be developed on its own unless there is some facilities already established. Okay, so that be contingent resources as well. Okay. So contingent resources have an associated chance of development. Contingent resources may include, for example, projects for which there are currently no viable markets. Okay, like gas business. So let's say you have in Mozambique there is a huge gas reserve that has been established, but unless until there is some LNG facility, it cannot be exported from there. So yes, it is contingent, and contingent upon what? Having LNG facility, right? So that is contingent resources. Not viable markets, or where commercial recovery is dependent on technology under development. Okay, technology under development, maybe high pressure, high temperature. Okay, or where evaluation of the accumulation is insufficient to clearly assess commerciality. Okay, so maybe you have drilled one well and you understand that well there could be huge resource, but until you have drilled some more wells, so you have not really established its commerciality. Contingent resources are further categorized in accordance with the range of uncertainty. Okay, like 1C, 2C, 3C. Look at that. Once again, I am going back to this one. Look at this 1C, 2C, 3C, or C1, C2, C3. Yeah, proved probable, not proved probable, possible. This is contingent resources. Okay, C1, C2, C3. With the estimates and should be subclassified based on project maturity and or economic status. Okay, so project maturity, again, we discussed about it, what project maturation status means. Okay, उसके बाद क्या है? Undiscovered petroleum initially in place. It is that quantity of petroleum estimated as of given date to be contained within accumulation yet to be discovered. Okay, so you may have certain idea that okay, there could be this much of oil and gas available. Especially, you remember I talked about one particular those when we are talking about regional statistics and uncertainty, there we talked about like if you have these many big reserves already established, then probably you have a smaller reserves that you can still establish. So those kind of things. Okay, so that is undiscovered, but looks like there, statistically speaking, looks like there could be some more reserves, but which has not been discovered yet. Okay, say for example, if you have, let's say, found a big reserve like Bombay High. Okay, so once you established a big one, then definitely there are going to be a smaller fields around it. Okay, and so which are yet to be discovered. So that is what yet to be discovered. Okay, so undiscovered. Prospective resources are those quantities of petroleum estimated as of given date to be potentially recoverable from undiscovered accumulations by application of future development projects. So that is prospective resources. Prospective resources have both an associated chance of geologic discovery and a chance of development. Prospective resources are further categorized in accordance with the range of uncertainty. So prospective resources कौन सा है देख लो तो फिर से एक बार. Prospective resources, right? This light blue colored, this undiscovered में prospective resources है, हाँ? And so, and that is as you saw, it's 1U, 2U, 3U undiscovered resources, prospective resources, huh? With recoverable estimate, assuming discovery and development, and may be subclassified based on project maturity. Unrecoverable resources are that portion of either discovered or undiscovered evaluated as of given date to be unrecoverable by the currently defined projects. Okay, अभी जो है जितने भी हैं उससे unrecoverable. Okay, a portion of these quantities may become recoverable in the future as commercial circumstances change, technology is developed, or additional data are acquired. Okay, The remaining portion may never be recovered because of physical chemical constraints represented by subsurface interaction of fluids and reservoirs. Okay, so the question is contingent and is a bit confusing. देखो contingent क्यों confusing है? Contingent जो है that is discovered one. Okay, that means you have already drilled, you have contingent resources. ठीक है कि मान लो कि तुमने एक सैटेलाइट फील्ड है, मान लो कि एक बड़ा सा फील्ड है बॉम्बे हाई, लेट मी गिव यू दिस, ये बॉम्बे हाई फील्ड है या एक बड़ा फील्ड है, and you know that there is this small field. Okay, now this is your contingent resource, क्योंकि if you develop this one, then let's say you build a platform, तो यहाँ पर मान लो कि जो है यहाँ पर जो है if you drill here you can build a pipeline from this to this, and so you can you can make this development field, you make this commercial, so that is contingent upon development of this one, right? So that is contingent. Prospective जो है ये undiscovered है, अभी discovery हुआ ही नहीं है. Okay, so let's say maybe because you have satellite fields of these nature, so let's say if you plot this, okay, let's say you have this big field here, okay, statistically speaking, okay, let's say you have this big field and then you have a small field here. So there is likelihood that you are going to get some medium fields in this area, statistically speaking. Okay. So prospective, which you have not discovered yet, but you understand that in this area, it's likely that you will have this. Okay. So that is what prospective resources. See, for example, in Bengal Basin, you met Bengal in Bengal Basin in Bangladesh, it is producing, right? In Bangladesh, the field is producing. तो इंडिया साइड में कहीं ना कहीं तो होगा, प्रोड्यूस करेगा. So that is prospective. But then recently you saw that with Ashok Nagar well, that is now discovered and it's commercial now. पहले undiscovered था, discovered से उसको जो है undiscovered से discovery बनाया, discovery से उसको commercial produce करके जो है now it's being sold to the refineries. So Ashok Nagar well, and therefore since there is one discovery, there is also going to have more discoveries in the area. So there will be some prospective resources in that case. Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आया? हाँ, जैसे कि राजस्थान बेसिन जो है, that is extension of those rift basin that is in Cambay, उसका extension है towards the north. Okay, towards north जो है उसका extension है. Okay, so that is what. So अगर उस setting में अगर हुआ है तो definitely there has to be some development there. ठीक है. So that contingent and then undiscovered and ये हो गया. So the sum of reserves, contingent resources and prospective resources may be referred to as remaining recoverable resources. Okay. Importantly, these quantities should not be aggregated without due consideration of the technical and commercial risks involved with their classification. When such terms are used, each classification component of the summation must be provided. Okay? ये सबको अलग अलग जो है करके देना चाहिए. ठीक है? Now, there is yet another, these terms are used. Estimated ultimate recovery, EUR, is not a resource category. ये जो है resource category नहीं है, estimated ultimate recovery or class, but a term that can be applied to an accumulation or group of accumulations, whether it's discovered or undiscovered, to define those quantities of petroleum estimated as of given date to be potentially recoverable, plus those quantities already produced from the accumulation or group of accumulations. For clarity, EUR must reference the associated technical and commercial conditions for the resources. For example, proved EUR is proved reserves plus prior production. तो जो production हो चुका है, those plus proved reserves. Okay? Green वाला देखा, देखो फिर से, let's go back one. देखो तो यहाँ ऊपर में देखो, सबसे ऊपर है प्रोडक्शन. तो प्रोडक्शन इनपुट को मिला करके जो है प्रोडक्शन रिजर्व्स को, तब जो है तुम बता रहे हो कि इट्स EUR, एस्टिमेटेड अल्टीमेट रिकवरी. ठीक है? वो दोनों को मिला करके. ओके? ठीक है? प्रूव्ड रिजर्व्स प्लस प्रायर प्रोडक्शन. Now, there is another technically recoverable resources are those quantities of petroleum producible using currently available technology and industry practices regardless of commercial consideration. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर कमर्शियलिटी की बात नहीं आई, टेक्निकली रिकवरेबल है कि नहीं. ओके? कमर्शियलिटी बाद में आ जाएगा. टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल है कि नहीं. TRR may be used for a specific projects or for group of projects, or can be undifferentiated estimate within an area or basin for recovery potential. Okay? So होता है कि okay, that is this reserve is technically recoverable. However, whether it's commercially viable or not, that is yet another. Okay? ठीक है? तो ये सारे डिस्टिंक्शन करने पड़ते हैं to make management, you know, understand what is what. Okay? अब देखो, the reservoir which contains the petroleum accumulation, key attributes include the types and quantities of PIIP, मतलब petroleum initially in place, and the fluid and rock properties that affect the petroleum recovery. Okay? So the a project may constitute, so ये project क्या होता है? That is the definition. A project may constitute the development of a well, a single reservoir or a small field, an incremental development in a producing field. ये भी project हो सकता है, incremental development करना है. In a producing field, or the integrated development of a field or several fields together with the associated processing facility. Within a project, a specific reservoir's development generates a unique production and cash flow. ठीक है? अब जो भी प्रोजेक्ट होगा उसका एक यूनिक कैश फ्लो होगा, प्रोडक्शन प्रोफाइल होगा. शेड्यूल एट ईच लेवल ऑफ सर्टेनिटी. ओके? तो अब उसमें जो है व्हाट इज P10, P90, P50 उसमें बताना पड़ेगा, उसका भी इकोनॉमिक्स करके. हाँ, the integration of these schedules taken to the project's earliest truncation caused by technical, economic, and or the contractual limit define the estimated recoverable resources and associated future net cash flow projection for each. Okay, the ratio of EUR, that is estimated ultimate recovery, to total PIIP quantities define the project recovery efficiency. ठीक है, total में से कितना estimated ultimate, that is your recovery efficiency. Each project should have an associated recoverable resources range that will be low, best or high estimate. Okay, so ये triangular distribution जो करते हैं ना, low case, best case and high case. तो ये कम से कम 3 देने चाहिए. Okay, so that your or you know or P90, P10, P50. Okay, so low case P90, P10, P50 is best case, and P10 is your high case. The property, that is lease or license area, each property may have unique associated contractual rights and obligations. तो ये जो है बहुत सारे जो ये rights and obligations, those are defined by the what you call production sharing contract. Okay, तो हम लोग इंडिया का देखेंगे production sharing contract, including the fiscal terms. Okay, उसका कितना टैक्स होगा, रॉयल्टी क्या होगा, ये सारी चीजें जो है उसमें डिफाइन होती हैं. Okay, this information allows definition of each participating entity's share of produced quantities, entitlement, and share of investment, expenses and revenues for each recovery project and the reservoir to which it is applied. Okay, one property may encompass many reservoirs. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि पहले क्या हो रहा था इंडिया में कि अगर एक प्रॉपर्टी है जिसमें कि कन्वेंशनल भी है और अनकन्वेंशनल भी है, तो अब उसके लिए जो है डिफरेंट बिडिंग होता था, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे. नाउ थिंग्स हैव बीन सिंप्लीफाइड. ओपन एक्रेज लाइसेंसिंग पॉलिसी में जो है उसको भी सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया गया है, क्योंकि इफ यू हैव मेनी लेवल्स ऑफ रिजर्वॉयर्स, ओके, और मान लो कि जैसे हुआ कि टर्शरी से हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं एंड जुरासिक जो है इट्स स्टिल लेट्स से इट्स अनकन्वेंशनल, एंड इफ यू ड्रिल टू दैट डेप्थ, how that is going to be handled. Okay, so those are different challenges with policies that you have. Okay, so उसको simplify करते हैं लोग. Share of investment, expenses and revenue. Okay, one property may encompass many reservoirs or one reservoir may span several different properties. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि one reservoir when it spans several different properties. मान लो कि हमारा एक ब्लॉक है और तुम्हारा एक ब्लॉक कहीं पास में है, हमने ड्रिल किया और वो तुम्हारे रिजर्वायर से अगर वो फ्लो करने लगा, क्योंकि इट्स कंटीगुअस रिजर्वायर, राइट, तो वो ऑयल किसका है. ओके, so that is what you will have some problem. And in fact ये जो इराक और कुवैत का ये प्रॉब्लम जो था वो यही था. ओके, क्योंकि जो है वो, और अभी भी ईरान और इराक में अभी भी जो क्योंकि ज्योग्राफिकल बाउंड्रीज तो ऊपर में है ना, तो रिजर्वायर डजंट नो योर ज्योग्राफिकल बाउंड्री, और पॉलिटिकल, नॉट इट्स ज्योग्राफिकल, पॉलिटिकल बाउंड्री. ओके, तो पॉलिटिकल बाउंड्रीज तो वो रिजर्वायर नहीं देखता है ना. So those are again problems. A property may encompass many reservoirs or one reservoir may span several different properties. A property may contain both discovered and undiscovered accumulation that may be spatially unrelated to a potential single field designation. Okay, so all these different kinds of situation may arise. Okay. तो ये सब बहुत ही लीगल चैलेंजेस हो जाते हैं बाद में if those are not simplified early enough. Now, an accumulation or potential accumulation of petroleum is often subject to several separate and distinct projects that are at different stages of exploration or development. Okay? Thus, an accumulation may have recoverable quantities in several resources classes simultaneously. Okay? तो ये बहुत ही अभी थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा होगा तुम लोग, इसको फिर से पढ़ो, बार बार पढ़ो, and you will understand it. Not all technically feasible development projects will be commercial. Okay, so technically TRR जो अभी कहा ना, technically recoverable reserves or resources. The commercial viability of a development project within a field's development plan is dependent on forecasts of the conditions that will exist during the time period encompassed by the project. Conditions include technical, economic, hurdle rates, commodity prices, operating capital costs, marketing sales routes, and legal, environmental, social, and governmental factors forecast to exist and impact the project during the time period being evaluated. While economic factors can be summarized as forecast costs and product prices, the underlying influences include, but are not limited to, market conditions, for example, inflation, market factors and contingencies, exchange rates, transportation and processing infrastructure, fiscal terms and taxes. Okay. So as you can see कि तुम लोगों को लगता था कि बहुत simple सा है, but as you study these things, then you see that there is more complexity involved, and therefore management of these things become, take priority after discovery. ठीक है, मैनेजमेंट बहुत ही ज्यादा हो जाता है, हाँ? कैसे मैनेज करना है. Because there are so many challenges. So resource classification, the PRMS classification establishes criteria of the classification of total PIIP. A determination of a discovery differentiates between discovered and undiscovered PIIP. The application of a project further differentiates the recoverable from unrecoverable resources. The project is then evaluated to determine its maturity status to allow the classification, distinction between commercial and sub-commercial projects. So we talked so many things. So let's now have quiz. Okay, क्योंकि बहुत सारे slides हैं. And I have been talking, तुम लोग भी बोर हो रहे होगे. So let us have this quiz. So I am going to send this to Petroleum Economics PE BTech 2017, right? ये होगा ना 2017 batch and मैंने भेज दिया. मिला आमिर? ओके, मिल गया. चलो जल्दी जल्दी करो इसको 10 मिनट्स में. ओके, इट्स 4:47, 4:57 तक जो है इसको खत्म करो.
ये एक्चुअली यहाँ पर एक ये जो अमाउंट था नहीं, ये माइक्रोस्कोप वाला जो था ना, इसमें प्राइस फ्लैक्चुएट 10,000 रुपये माइनस हुआ, घटा है आज जब बनाया इसको फिर से। हाँ, इसका जब आप सही किया तो ये पता है। और सर दूसरा चीज़ एक बताना था इस वाले को।
So it's 449, okay?
इसमें ये अभी दिखा रहा है 26,000 का प्लस, पहले ये भी माइनस का सकता है। तो इसमें जो 44,100 रुपये का EMC लेना था हमें, ये डबल बी इंस्पेक्टर पर मीटर, जब हमारा बैलेंस नहीं तो हटा दिया उसको। आपने बोला था उसको हटा दिया। इसमें 26,000 बचा है, इसमें माइनस ये टोटल 74 आज की डेट तक का है, जो एडवांस 25,000 रुपये दिया।
अच्छा, 74 में क्या 25,000 का
एडवांस जो 25,000 रुपये हम लोगों ने आज दिए ना, उसके लिए कोरियर चार्जेस के साथ घटाने के बाद।
4:53. That means 4 minutes left. Okay. Submit करना चालू करो. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes you still have. Maybe you are doing some computation. Okay, one has responded. Two has responded. 3, 5, जल्दी करो. 7, 10, 17. It's already 4:57. 23, 30, quickly. अभी 35 हुआ है, 41 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, तो 35 हुआ है, तो 6 लोग अभी सबमिट नहीं किए हैं। जल्दी करो, नहीं तो बंद हो जाएगा, अभी टाइम क्लोज कर देंगे। ये कैसे हो गया? 45 क्लास में 41 है और 45 इंटरेस्टिंग। वो सब अभी जो है ना मैच करके देखूंगा कौन 45 हैं और 4 लोग कौन हैं। सारा अटेंडेंस मार्क्ड है यहाँ पर। बहुत स्मार्ट बच्चे हैं, सबकी स्मार्टनेस अभी देखेंगे ना, कौन कौन लोग क्लास में नहीं थे और कौन कौन लोग इसमें आंसर किए, रिस्पॉन्ड किए हैं, और किनका किनका एग्जैक्ट मैच करता है, किनका, तो सारा सारा अभी जो एनालिसिस हो जाएगा तुरंत। ओके, तो नाउ हम लोगों ने जो है कंटिंजेंट रिसोर्सेज के बारे में डिस्कस कर लिया। क्या क्या हम लोगों ने डिस्कशन किया? Let us see. Okay. So this is what we were discussing about. Okay. So recoverable, unrecoverable resources हो गया, and then you have commercial and sub-commercial. So all these things are there in the chart that we saw earlier. Okay. So how do you give this discovery status? A discovered petroleum accumulation is determined to exist when one or more exploratory wells have established through testing, sampling, and or logging the existence of a significant quantity of potentially recoverable hydrocarbons and thus have established a known accumulation. ठीक है? तो डिस्कवरी जो है वो तभी करेंगे ना कि जो है डिस्कवरी कैसे करेंगे? थ्रू टेस्टिंग, सैम्पलिंग एंड और लॉगिंग द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ अ सिग्निफिकेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ पोटेंशियली रिकवरेबल हाइड्रोकार्बन्स। ठीक है? In the absence of a flow test or sampling, the discovery determination requires confidence in the presence of hydrocarbon and evidence of producibility, okay, which may be supported by suitable producing analogs. ठीक है? तो अगर प्रोडक्शन टेस्ट नहीं किया, फ्लो टेस्ट नहीं किया है, सैम्पलिंग नहीं किया है, so basically how do you give that confidence? तो इसके लिए जो है तुमको एनालॉग से जो है वो एस्टेब्लिश करना पड़ेगा कि ठीक है भाई, ये इस तरह का रिजर्वायर यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस किया है, इस तरह का यहाँ नहीं प्रोड्यूस किया। सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इन एनालॉग्स। ओके, where a discovery has identified potentially recoverable hydrocarbons, but it is not considered viable to apply a project with established technology or with technology under development, such quantities may be classified as discovered unrecoverable with no contingent resources. ठीक है? क्योंकि कंटिजेंट रिसोर्सेज में ये नहीं था ना, तो इसको नहीं, पुअर कनेक्टिविटी, अब ये सब तो जो है ये तो एक्सक्यूज है, इतने देर में तुम्हारा पुअर कनेक्टिविटी है। सबमिट दैट क्विकली। Now, let me go back here. Okay, so discovery status we talked about, right? Undercover with no condition. Okay. In future evaluations, as appropriate for petroleum resources management purposes, a portion of these unrecoverable quantities may become recoverable resources as either commercial circumstances change or technological developments occur. Okay, तो unrecoverable से जो है फिर उसको जो है ले आएंगे recoverable में, contingent resources में ले आएंगे। हाँ, discovered recoverable quantities जो कि we call it contingent resource may be considered commercially mature and thus attain reserve classification if the entity claiming commerciality has demonstrated a firm intention to proceed with development when you are producing for development. Okay. Now, criteria for commerciality: a technically mature, feasible development plan has to be there. Financial appropriation either in place or high likelihood of being secured. That means you are going to secure financial thing. जैसा हमने एक बताया था ना, ऑक्सीडेंटल का वो हमने एक क्लेमोर डेवलपमेंट फील्ड का बताया था। हाँ, so you have to have that financial backup, okay, for this commerciality के लिए, है कि नहीं? Reasonable time frame for development, positive economics, NPV positive होना चाहिए. Market for forecast sale, necessary production and transportation facilities can be available, legal contractual, market for forecast sale, necessary production and transportation facilities can be available. Legal, contractual, environmental, regulatory and governmental approvals are in place or will be forthcoming together with any social and economic concerns. So ये सब जो है, ये सब करना पड़ेगा, then only you can say it's commercial. हाँ, commerciality के लिए करना पड़ेगा। हाँ, the chance that the potential accumulation will result in the discovery of a significant quantity of petroleum, which is called the chance of geologic discovery, that is PG. Probability जो हम लोग करते हैं ना, तो उसको जो है will define that as probability of geologic success, so that is PG. Once discovered, the chance that known accumulation will be commercially developed is called the chance of development, that we can say PD, probability of development. Huh? अब इसमें देखो, this is also from PRMS, okay? तो प्रोजेक्ट मेच्योरिटी सब क्लास यहाँ पर जो है साइड में ये दिया हुआ है, That you need to understand, and that will quickly finish this one. हम लोग ने ये जो ग्रीन एंड ब्लू कलर है ये तो पहले देख लिया था, है ना? इसमें जो है वी हैड दोज अनसर्टेनिटी 1p 2p 3p, हाँ वो था ना, 1c 2c 3c एंड 1u 2u 3u. अब नाउ जो है व्हाट यू हैव इज प्रोजेक्ट मैच्योरिटी सब क्लास, ये साइड में देखो, राइट हैंड साइड में. सो अनडिस्कवर्ड उस जो PIIP है उसमें प्रोस्पेक्टिव रिसोर्सेज जो है, first what you do is you identify play concept. Okay, prospective resource mein play concept. Let's say somebody is going to say I'm going to target tertiary sand. That's my play concept. Okay, because of geology of the area you can develop that play concept. So play concept जो है जैसे कि जो राजस्थान बेसिन में जो बाड़मेर बेसिन में जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ, that was basically a play concept that they initially they defined. It was different from what there was earlier play concept, huh? So from play concept then you kind of take the lead that okay, this play, if you have a structurally higher position, then that's the kind of lead you are going for. And then from there, what you are going to do is you are going to map it. So when you do that mapping, basically you are generating prospect. Okay, that this is the area, this is the thickness, and this is what you are going to have. This is your prospect. Okay, you can name that prospect if you want, and from like there you have what are the different names. There's so many names in Rajasthan basin. So from play to lead to देखो एक ने बताया मंगला, और भी है ना, मंगला है क्या, भाग्यश्री है, क्या है नाम, एक और है, 3 है ना. Okay, so you can name those prospects, then you drill that, और ड्रिल किया, अगर डिस्कवरी हो गया तो इसे डिस्कवर्ड. अब उसके बाद जो है then you are looking at whether development is viable or not viable, whether it's clarified, on hold or pending. If you have that, then you go for justified for development, approved for development, and put it on production. Okay, so that is how you increasing chance of commerciality. Okay, ठीक है. So I stop here, and there are some few more terminologies we will discuss in the next class. ठीक है, चलो, bye.